Namaste. Welcome to Chitrakuta Samskrita Learning Series. भूयाः त्वं गुणिनां मान्यः. May you become honored among the meritorious people. कृतार्थः भूयासम्. May I feel gratified or satisfied. धीरो राजा युद्धं जीयात्. May the brave king win the battle. Shubham bhuyat. May everything be good. These sentences do not indicate any tense. Rather, these indicate some mood that is related to some wish or prayer or blessing. Bhuyaha, bhuyasam, jiyat, bhuyat. These words are in Ashirling Lakaraha, means these indicate some wish or prayer or blessing. Ashirling, benedictive mode. Benedictive means favor, grace, blessing or prayer. The words used to bless someone or the words used to wish, to pray, to bless, etc. will be used in Ashirling. It is a mode. It doesn't indicate any tense. Let us see Ting Pratyayanta Rupani of Ashirling Lakaraha. In Parasmaipadi, Yat, Yastam, Yasuhu, Yaha, Yastam, Yasta, Yasam, Yasva, Yasma. In Atmanepadi, Sishtha, Siyastham, Siran, Sishtha, Siyastham, Siddhvam, Siya, Sivahi, Simahi. Let us take one example. If we take Bhu Dhatuhu, in Parasmaipadi it will be Bhuyat, Bhuyastam, Bhuyasuhu, Bhuyah, Bhuyastam, Bhuyasta, Bhuyasam, Bhuyasva, Bhuyasma. Saha Shanto Bhuyat. May he become calm. Tvam Shanto Bhuyaha. May you become calm. Aham Shanto Bhuyasam. May I become calm. Ashirling Atmanepadi. If we take Mud Dhatuhu, Mud means happy or satisfied. The formats will be Modishishtha, Modishiyastam, Modishiran, Modishishthah, Modishiyastham, Modishidhvam, Modishiya, Modishivahi, Modishimahi. Janaha Modishiran. May all the people feel happy. Tvam modishishthah. May you feel happy. Vayam modishimahi. May we feel happy. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mukshiyamamritat. We worship the three-eyed one who is fragrant and who nourishes all. Like the fruit falls off from the bondage of the stem, may we be liberated from death and from the mortality. In this shloka, the word mukshiya is in Ashirling Lakaraha format. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tat Savitur Varenyam भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. We meditate on the most adored Supreme Lord, the Creator, whose divine light enlightens us physically, mentally, and spiritually. May this divine light illumine our intellect. Dhiyo yo nah prachodayat. Prachodayat is in Ashirling. I conclude today's session. Now we have come across Dashalakaraha. Among them, 6 were Kalavachakaha and 4 were moods, means Prakarabodhakaha. Let us learn a new topic in coming episode. See you. Punarmilamaha.